Alright, welcome. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Instagram to complete the social media automation income strategy or social media automation income system, whichever one you call it. The app we'll be using is called Business Suite, or you can also call it Facebook Business. Alright, if you don't have it, go to your App Store or Play Store and type Business Suite or Facebook Business. Alright. So after downloading it, just simply open it up and then log in. Okay, log in that Facebook account on which you created your page on it. Remember, I taught you how to do this in the previous video. So log in, and when you log in, you should have a Facebook account and Instagram account that looks like this, because I already taught you how to link your Instagram to your Facebook account also. All right, so when you do that, this is what your page should look like. This is what your business suite should look like. Okay, and next thing you're going to do is to look down at the bottom of this app. You see three horizontal lines at the lower right corner. Click on it and then select add, and from here click on create, and then switch to Instagram here. So now click on any of these posts. These posts are from your Instagram. Click on any, the one that you actually want to use. Okay, so when you click on it, scroll down and choose get more messages. This is it, get more messages. So when you do that, you scroll down to select which of these messaging apps you want to use. So we want to use WhatsApp, so we click on WhatsApp, and then we also click on Instagram to uncheck Instagram, because Instagram is checked by default. So I don't know why this thing is jumping up and down like this. So this, you can see that Instagram is no longer marked. So scroll down and go to audience. All right. The audience is currently on automatic, so we are going to change it, and then we are going to create a new audience. Okay, where we'll be able to select the cities or the states that we want Facebook to push this post to. So click on the create now button. Okay, and it's just like the other app in the other video, which is Facebook Ads Manager. So select your targeted location. It's currently on Nigeria, so just put your cursor there and delete it. You can see the way I did it, and then type the location that you want. So we can type any location at all of our choice. So when you type the location, suggestion will come at the bottom. So just select the suggestion that most suits your desired location. That's it. So you can do that as many times as possible for different locations of your choice. And when you're done, simply click on save. So the next one now is interest. Click on add interest. Okay. However, we are not going to use interest. Why? Is because the social media automation income strategy does not actually require interest. Anybody is our target, because everybody needs money, everybody needs to learn skill. So there's no need for interest. So we are just going to go ahead and go to the next, which is age bracket of the people that you are targeting. You know, the you know what your business is all about, and you know the age bracket that are most interested in your business. So just adjust this horizontal line. Just when you touch it, it starts adjusting. So just look at it. As you're adjusting it, you'll be looking at the number at the angle. This one is different from the other app, okay, that we first used to do tutorial. So just touch it and start. You can see the way I'm doing it. So you also do it from the other end to suit your age bracket, and that is it. Also, don't forget to select gender if your product or your business is gender specific. Okay, so choose whether you want women or men, or you want all. So in this case, I'm leaving it at all. All right. And when you're done, simply click on Save Audience. So the next thing now is placement, but for this type, the placement is just going to be Instagram because we are boosting a particular post from Instagram. So we do not have any choice than to just let it run only on Instagram. All right. And after that, the next thing is budget. Okay. So now, like we know, because because our fund is not too much, we only have 1,600 and something naira here. So we're going to reduce, and I've already told you that the minimum they can take is 1,535 naira. 1,535 naira. That's the minimum Facebook will take from you for one day. So, and right here it has 6 days. So reduce this one until this day remains one. You can see we only have one day now. Then this one changes somehow. So just drag it back to 1,535 naira. And then scroll down and click on boost reel. So when you boost it now, people are going to start messaging you. So automatically, so with this process, you have automated your Instagram to your WhatsApp and your WhatsApp to your G247 Academy. Does it make sense? So in this case, once you set it up, you don't have to do anything. Once people come to once people that find it interesting come to your WhatsApp, they are going to join your group, and from your group, they are going to see the details about um, the details about social media automation income strategy. Okay, and they're also going to see details about G247 Academy, and they are going to see testimonies for people that are already using um, G24 Academy, and people who have already learned the skill of ads, Facebook and Instagram ads. So um they're going to see all those testimonies there, and and they are going to be motivated and they will get started. Okay. So and yours is just to cash out, and that is it. Okay. Yours is just to give them the link. So once in a while you're going to be updating your own WhatsApp group to drop your um enrollment links. Okay, G24 enrollment links. Okay. So that's just how it is. So click on boost reel, and just like the other one we did, um they're going to say that they are creating it. Yeah, exactly. Your ad is being created, and that's it. So if we go back now, we'll be able to see it. So let's go back. Still go back. So this is the one we did earlier, and this is the one we just did now. So they have created that one. It's now under review. You can see in review. So when they are done creating it, people will start seeing it. This one is currently under creation. So that's just how it is. So again, please, if you watched any of the videos that I have made for you and you got confused at any point, please go back and watch it again. Okay, because you are probably seeing this kind of video for the first time and it's kind of looking confusing and difficult, but it's actually not difficult. So watch each step one by one and apply them one by one. Okay, be pausing and playing them while you are actually applying them to your own page and to your own account. I've taught you almost everything. You have learned how to create a Facebook page. You have also learned how to fund your Facebook ad account. You have also learned how to um, place ads on your Facebook ads manager, okay, which you use to automate um, your enrollment link on G24 Academy. So I've taught you how to use Facebook to run the social media automation income strategy, and also how to use Instagram to run the social media automation strategy income strategy right now. So you have learned everything. I even taught you how to connect your Instagram to your Facebook page. Okay, so literally everything you need, I have taught you. And you also know that you can use this strategy to boost any of your business. This strategy is not limited to G247 Academy. No, we are only using it for G247 Academy because G247 Academy is an online platform, and it's a lot easier to promote and make money because there are a lot of people out there who are looking for how to learn these skills, okay, and who are also looking for how to make money. And since G247 Academy has both of them in one place, that is learn skill and also make money in one place, that's why we are choosing to promote G247 Academy. You can use this everything I've taught you for your personal business, and it will boost your business greatly. Okay, you have actually learned a lot, a very lot. So do well to apply it to your business, and do well to follow every step to apply it to G27 Academy. All right. The social media automation income strategy is a very strong tool that you need to excel in your business. Okay. It's been a very great time with you guys, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. All right. Peace.